Drift into undisturbed sleep with a device engineered not just for comfort, but for intelligent support. This sleep innovation integrates real-time snore-stopping technology, gently responding to disturbances before they escalate, promoting smoother breathing patterns throughout the night. It doesn't just react, it listens, adapts, and adjusts. The adjustable height system allows fine-tuned customization for spinal alignment, supporting your neck whether you sleep on your back or side. Soft light flickers like a fireplace glow while cool mist drifts gently through the air. This is the calm delivered by the Ethereal Ultrasonic Flame Diffuser. Designed to elevate your indoor atmosphere, this diffuser mimics the look of a glowing flame using warm LED lights and ultra-fine nano mist. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil and let the air around you transform. Cleaner, more fragrant, and easier to breathe. When your four-legged companion spends hours alone, boredom can lead to anxiety. That's where Dogs Play steps in, crafted specifically for pets. From streaming calming content to making two-way video calls with their favorite humans, Dogs Play transforms everyday routines into meaningful connections. With Dogflix Entertainment, your dog can unwind with curated shows designed to ease separation anxiety and reduce stress. The two-way video calls let you check in from anywhere with crystal-clear visuals and responsive audio calibrated to canine perception. Under the relentless summer glare or in high-altitude wind, gear that multitasks is invaluable. The EcoFlow Power Hat answers that call, a wide-brimmed solar charging hat engineered for real-world outdoor performance, designed for serious treks, high-elevation climbs, and backwoods exploration. This hat shields your face and neck with a 5.5-inch brim while quietly converting sunlight into usable power. The Kuxiu magnetic wireless charging stand for iPad transforms how you power up your tablet. No more tangled cables or complicated setups. With its enhanced magnetic design, it provides seamless charging with up to 18 watts of power. Simply place your iPad on the stand, connect the USB-C cable, and you're ready to go. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, this stand is designed for both durability and elegance. CNC machined for precision, it boasts a frosted texture that complements your iPad Pro. The StylePi U Cable Pro offers seamless performance with up to 1 terabyte of TF expansion, transforming your device into a powerhouse of storage. Featuring a blazing fast 40 gigabits per second transfer rate through USB 4.0, it ensures data flows smoothly between devices, whether you're working on high-definition media or large files. With Power Delivery 3.1 support, it delivers up to 240 watts of power, easily meeting the energy demands of modern laptops and devices. The Charge Disk M2 NVMe SSD enclosure offers a high-performance solution for those looking to securely store and access data at blazing speeds. Designed with advanced technology, this enclosure integrates an active cooling system to prevent overheating, ensuring optimal performance for your M.2 NVMe SSD. With support for 10 gigabits per second USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 connectivity, it provides rapid data transfer, significantly reducing the wait time for large file transfers or data-intensive applications. Technology meets precision engineering with the Microbit XGO Rider, a compact programmable bipedal robot built to inspire innovation. Designed for both education and entertainment, it features powerful all-metal magnetic encoding bus serial servos at its joints and a FOC wheel hub integrated motor for smooth drive performance. This allows the XGO Rider to perform 360-degree full-range, flexible movements with stable posture control, tackling complex motions effortlessly. Firing up bold flavors starts with precision heat, and the Gosney Dome S1 delivers with unapologetic power. Its quick-start rolling gas flame surges to 700 degrees Fahrenheit in just minutes, transforming ordinary backyard meals into chef-level experiences. Once it hits 950 degrees Fahrenheit, it holds steady, letting you produce Neapolitan-style pizza after pizza without a drop in consistency or temperature. This oven doesn't just cook, it performs. The Async H7 e-bike stands as a top-tier option for those seeking versatility and performance. With a premium carbon fiber frame and handlebar, the Async H7 combines strength and lightweight construction, offering a sleek, geometrically balanced design that enhances both aesthetics and functionality. It features a powerful 960 watt-hour Samsung 21700 removable battery, capable of a maximum range of 50 miles with throttle alone and up to 100 miles with pedal assist. Under the sun or through a chill dusk breeze, this electric machine is built for performance beyond pavement. The MaxFun 10 Max pushes urban mobility into a class of its own with top-tier components and unrelenting power. A searing 55 miles per hour top speed delivers high-octane thrills, while the extended 70-plus mile range ensures you're riding longer without compromise. Its Samsung removable battery guarantees quality and convenience. Charge anywhere, anytime. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, this ring isn't just a fidget toy, it's a precision-engineered mechanical masterpiece for your fingertips. The world's most powerful titanium fidget toy mechanic ring redefines portable stress relief with a rugged edge and industrial appeal. Designed for those who admire stylish minimalism and functional performance, the ring spins, clicks, and transforms, all within a sleek metallic frame that fits comfortably on your hand. The Saro Z70 is an advanced robotic vacuum designed to elevate cleaning technology with precision and versatility. At just 3.14 inches in height, this ultra-slim device can easily navigate tight spaces, ensuring a deep clean where traditional vacuums struggle. Featuring the Starsight Autonomous System 2.0, it intelligently maps your home, optimizing its cleaning route for maximum efficiency. The Z70 incorporates a dual anti-tangle system to prevent hair and debris from obstructing its performance, allowing for smooth and uninterrupted cleaning. The iCoxer fidget spinner offers an innovative approach to decision-making, blending fun with functionality. Designed to engage users in both casual play and important choices, this spinner stands out as a tool that brings clarity to your day. With its sleek, durable build, it is made for lasting performance, making it an ideal companion for any situation. The spinner's smooth motion provides a satisfying tactile experience, helping you to unwind or focus when needed. In the quiet hours of the night or the bustle of your day, the Ebo X stands watch with unwavering precision. This compact AI-driven homebot enhanced by GPT-40 Mini isn't just smart, it's deeply intuitive. Guided by V-Slam navigation, it maneuvers seamlessly through your space, learning room layouts and adjusting its patrols in real time. Its 4K stabilized moving camera, enhanced with night vision, captures crystal clear footage whether it's noon or midnight, offering complete visibility when you need it most. In a world where the boundaries of AI are constantly being pushed, Code 27 emerges as the platform that redefines what it means to create, interact, and connect. Whether you're searching for the perfect virtual companion or looking to dive into a rich, personalized experience, Code 27 offers unparalleled customization. The platform allows you to build characters from the ground up, deciding not just how they look, but how they think and act. This is more than just an AI. It's your ideal companion, adaptable and tailored to fit your every need. The Tilt 5 system redefines interactive entertainment by merging augmented reality with tabletop gaming, offering a captivating experience like never before. Designed for both casual players and seasoned gamers, the system enables users to immerse themselves in 3D holograms projected onto a specially designed surface, creating a seamless blend of the physical and digital worlds. The Tilt 5 includes a set of AR glasses, a custom game board, and a collection of compatible games, making it a complete package for anyone looking to elevate their gaming sessions. From sunrise runs to late-night check-ins, the Huawei Watch Fit 3 keeps pace with every beat of your day. Crafted with a sleek 9.9mm ultra-slim profile and weighing just 0.91 ounces, this aluminum alloy smartwatch blends modern minimalism with next-gen tech. Its 1.82-inch AMOLED display delivers up to 1,500 nits of brightness, a crisp 347 ppi resolution, and a 60 Hz refresh rate. The Asil World First 4K Smart Portable Quad Monitor redefines the limits of portable display technology, offering an unmatched visual experience. This innovative monitor features a unique 4-screen display, delivering 4 separate screens in one compact unit. Each screen boasts 4K Ultra HD resolution, ensuring crystal clear images and vibrant colors for a truly immersive viewing experience. Designed for ultimate convenience, the Asil monitor is equipped with 4 smart functional buttons, allowing users to easily control each screen's settings. Built for utility and weekend escapes, this collapsible wagon from Black + Decker blends strength with mobility in a design made for real-world demands. Measuring 31.1 inches long, 21.2 inches wide, and 22.1 inches deep, it offers a generous cargo space without being bulky. Capable of hauling up to 176 pounds of gear, it's ideal for beach days, tailgating setups, or hauling tools around the yard. The wagon's heavy-duty all-terrain wheels ensure a steady ride over sand, gravel, or uneven paths. Logitech WaveKeys offers an ergonomic design that prioritizes comfort without compromising productivity. Its compact size brings the mouse closer to your body, encouraging a more natural shoulder position, unlike traditional full-sized keyboards. WaveKeys takes comfort further with its wavy layout, which naturally aligns your hands, wrists, and forearms for a more relaxed typing experience, reducing strain during long work sessions. Under a clear night sky or in a dim conference room, this projector redefines portable cinema and presentation tech. With an impressive 1,000 ANSI lumens of brightness, the image stays vivid even as ambient light creeps in. Running Android TV, it gives you direct access to apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video, all without needing another device. A built-in battery offers up to 5 hours of playtime, long enough for a double feature or a full presentation with time to spare. Transform any space with bold, seamless illumination using the Neko Space Orchard magnetic modular lighting system. Built for customization, it includes over 8 magnetic modular units, giving you full creative control to shape your lighting environment. Whether you're enhancing a workspace or elevating home decor, each module attaches effortlessly to the 24-volt safe dual magnetic tracks. Enjoy unmatched versatility with 360-degree lighting flexibility, allowing you to direct light exactly where it's needed. From artisan crafts to professional-grade prototypes, the E13D Texture UV printer reshapes how creators bring ideas to life. Built with precision at its core, this all-in-one modular printer blends advanced UV printing technology with compact engineering, making it ideal for home studios, small businesses, and creative entrepreneurs. Measuring under 15 inches on each side, the E1 fits effortlessly onto desktops without sacrificing performance. The ThermoNex Thermalization. Neck Chiller offers an advanced solution for staying cool and comfortable during intense activities. Designed to support your optimal performance, this 8-hour neck cooler uses cutting-edge dual-temperature systems, ensuring you remain at your peak without the discomfort of cold pain. It operates efficiently by freezing at room temperature, maintaining a constant cooling effect with no moisture accumulating on your skin. Turn up the heat without second-guessing your setup. The No Worries gas timer is a powerful 80,000 BTU auto shutoff gas timer, engineered to prevent gas leaks, flameouts, and overcooking. Designed for propane and natural gas systems, it's the perfect fit for outdoor grills, fire pits, patio heaters, and pizza ovens. Equipped with a reliable 3/8-inch flared assembly connector and hose, this compact safety device blends seamlessly into your setup while adding a critical layer of protection. The Anpool P1 robotic pool skimmer is engineered for seamless pool maintenance with dual charging capabilities, offering both solar and DC power for maximum efficiency. Solar power keeps it running during sunny days, while DC charging ensures it can continue to work even on cloudy days. With over 40 hours of runtime, the Anpool P1 is designed for both in-ground and commercial pools, tackling pool surface cleaning tasks with ease. The Reluma footrest is designed to provide a refreshing and supportive experience for your legs, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. With its lightweight, compact build, it is perfect for anyone who spends long hours sitting and needs an easy way to alleviate pressure on their legs and feet. The footrest features a durable, ergonomic design that ensures comfort and relaxation with just the right amount of support. Its portability makes it ideal for travelers, while the soft yet firm cushioning helps to improve circulation and reduce fatigue, providing instant relief. Effortless gaming meets advanced cooling and control with the GameSir X3 Pro. This controller's 900 square millimeter cooling plate provides an impressive 12 watts of cooling power, ensuring your phone stays at an optimal temperature throughout long sessions, even under the most intense conditions. Overheating becomes a thing of the past, allowing you to focus solely on the game. The X3 Pro stands out with GameSir Hall Effect sensing sticks, offering 360-degree seamless precision for pinpoint control. In a world where your desk becomes your canvas, the Abus's Lamp Plus transforms daily interaction. It projects vivid content directly onto your tabletop, maintaining sharp clarity and definition. Every movement is seamless with natural touch control. Your finger becomes the mouse, responding effortlessly to each command. Beyond lighting, the wooden body serves as a resonant speaker, delivering immersive 360-degree audio that envelops your space with warmth and clarity. Moofy offers a unique and innovative way to craft essential oils and infused oils at home, making DIY projects simpler and more accessible. This advanced device lets you effortlessly extract essential oils using flowers, spices, and water. With a single press of a button, you can start your oil-making process and let the device handle the rest. The Smart Machine's core technology utilizes precise temperature control and a built-in circulating coil system that ensures optimal extraction of flavors and essences. Keeping tabs on your pet's health shouldn't be stressful, messy, or expensive. That's why the amzn.to Pet Test Kit offers a smarter, cleaner way to monitor your companion's condition from home. No vet office required unless truly necessary. In just 60 seconds, a single drop of urine analyzed by a machine learning algorithm gives you precise results across 10 key health parameters, including pH, glucose, protein, ketones, and more.